Then event tasking. What does it mean? Well, for me, that's a process of converting plans to actions. To make things happen. Plans are nothing, but planning is everything, as one said. Even the most brilliant plans means nothing if we are not able to convert plans to actions. That's the main challenge we face with old school planning. Written documents, presentations, or even spreadsheets get useless if people don't find, understand, and focus on the right parts of those. There is a better way to make plans than collect all information to same document, spreadsheets, or presentation. I call this event tasking. Our event plans should be composed so that we are able to convert it easily to detailed tasks we can better include to our project management tools or task management tools. Furthermore, those tasks should be easy to share to our event teams, suppliers, or other relevant people. This includes the possibility for event planners to create tasks out of event plan that are relevant to receiver. We shouldn't share documents and expect people to find their relevant spots from those. This is how I make sure my plans will turn into action in our preparation work. I make two kinds of action lists from my event plans. Ones that are related to organizing an event journey for specific customer groups and stages and steps in those. The others are related to managing venues, getting the required staff and suppliers or professionals. If we have worked logically in our planning, we are able to give our team and others great instructions to rock in their preparation and implementation. And this will boost our efficiency and effectivity big time. A couple of examples here of outcome of good tasking taken from event plans. With good plans, our partner sales is able to get detailed list of things we need with all information on why, what, and how by sectors, negotiate sponsors and supplier deals. Our HR will get better insights, not only the number of personnel needed, but also information on job requirements and responsibilities in various steps of event journey. They don't have to ask them separately. And planning of HR operations will be much, much easier. Again, our venue management crew gets all details and needs for all event venues for better preparation and implementation of their tasks, for example, in setting up the venues. And then our marketing people know exactly what you are providing for event guests, which of course